often you have to set up multiple copies of worksheets in a workbook that have similar structure. For example, for each of the 50 U.S. states, you might want to set up a sales worksheet where the underlying structure is the same. Or for each continent, you might have a worksheet for sales and you want the structure to be the same. Let's show you an easy way to accomplish this goal. So in this workbook, we'll call it 3D template temp, I guess. We've got 4 worksheets. By the way, hitting the plus sign, you can add worksheets for Latin America, US, Asia, and Europe. And we want to basically set up the same structure in each worksheet. We'll keep it simple. But just a little tip here, you do Control-Shift page down, you cycle between your worksheets. Control-Shift page up, you go back to the beginning. So that's fairly straightforward. Now here's the way this works. Okay, so what you're going to do is hold down the Shift key and select the range of worksheets that you want to have the same template for. So I'm holding down the Shift key. I was in Latin America, and now basically I've grouped these worksheets. So now let's suppose in A1 I want to have price, and A2 demand, and in A3 I want to have revenue. And let's say I put in a price and demand, they would be different in each place. And revenue is price times demand. Okay, now I've done it. If I hit enter and I just hit escape key or click on the bottom here to get out of what's called that group mode, you can see every worksheet looks the same. So again, all I did was select the first be in the first worksheet, hold down the Shift key, select the last worksheet where I want to set up the sort of identical templates. Then in the first worksheet, set up the template, and all the worksheets are set up in identically the same fashion. I guess that's an oxymoron. Okay, but that concludes this short video. But remember that Control-Shift page up or down keystroke shortcut, because that's very useful.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.